Number 46 are the concentrations of hydronium ion and hydroxide ion in a solution of an acid or a base in water directly proportional or inversely proportional, and then explain your answer. Okay, so this one is pretty easy, right? If we know the formula between hydronium and hydroxide. There's one formula that links hydronium and hydroxide, and that is this formula right here. It's the Kw formula. Kw equals H plus times OH minus. H plus is hydronium, and likewise OH minus is hydroxide. Now, just know that for an acid or a base, you will be producing either H plus ions if you're an acid, or OH minus ions if you're a base. However, if you have one, you secretly will have some of the other. But remember that as you increase in your acidity, your basicity will drop. And then vice versa, right? If you increase your basicity, your acidity will drop. So this is the same idea here. Now just know that Kw is a constant value, so this side has to stay constant. So if this has to stay constant, if I increase my H plus, if I want to get the same number, what am I going to have to do with my OH minus? Yeah, this has got to go down. And if I decrease my H plus and I want to keep this as the same number, this has to go up. So it basically comes back to the acidity-basicity rules. So, is the hydronium and hydroxide directly proportional or inversely proportional? They're inversely proportional. Inversely proportional, and then explain your reasoning. You could give this formula. You could say the more, acidic you are, the less basic you are. So that's an inverse as well. But basically, we answered the question. So that's it. This one was pretty easy. What do you think, guys? Hopefully this helped. Subscribe to the channel if you want to help us out. Thank you so much. And I will see you all in later lessons. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.